Hello everyone, expecting that you all are good and fine at your homes. So today we will start a new exercise 1.4. Okay, and as you can see I have written the very first question, students. So today we will solve this first question. So starting from here, see, basically here we will learn the division of integer. Okay, how to divide one positive and one negative integers, or how to divide two positive integers. Actually we have been learning since our childhood about the division of two positive integers, or how to divide two negative integers. Different cases we will see here, and if we will solve this question, students, question number 1, then all the cases of division of integers will be solved. Okay, and one more thing, it has been already explained in my introduction video of integer chapter, but still if you have not gone through that video, then I will explain you here only in this while solving this question. Okay, now starting from the very first question, students, see, the very first question is telling you to divide minus 30 by 10. Okay, so as I told you, students, while teaching the multiplication of integers, like that only we will solve these questions also, or we will solve the division of integers. How? See here, I am telling you. Okay, first what we will do, first we will forget the sign and simply we will divide the integers or the numbers which has been stated in the question. Okay, simply first we will forget the sign and then simply we will divide the numbers, and then we will recall the sign and then we will divide the sign also. As you might be remembering, during the multiplication of integer, what we were doing, first we will simply multiplying the numbers, forgetting the sign, and then we were recalling the sign, and then we were multiplying the signs also. So here also similarly, first we will divide the numbers forgetting about their sign, and then again we will recall their sign, and then we will divide them. Okay, now I will explain you here how. See, first question is telling you to divide minus 30 and minus 30 and 10. So if you will divide minus 30, so first we will have to forget the sign. Okay, so what we will do, we will divide simply 30 upon 10. So we know that this 0 and this 0 will cancel each other. Okay, in rough you have to do that. Okay, and then after dividing 30 by 10, we will get how much, students? 3. Okay, so here we will write 3. Now coming to sign, here we are having minus and here we are having plus. Okay, so these minus plus will become here minus, no cancellation will be there. Okay, here during learning during the division of integer, students, one thing you have to keep it in your mind, that if both the numbers are positive, then positive sign will be there. If both the negative numbers are there, okay, suppose minus 10 minus 30 is there, then minus and minus will cancel each other, students. This minus and this minus will cancel each other. Okay, again you will get positive result. When only one case is there, okay, in two cases, when the sign will have, when the numbers will have same sign, then you will get only positive result, and when the numbers are having different sign, that is one positive and one negative, then only you will get negative result. Okay, so here since we are having different signs, that is minus 30 and 10, so minus and plus after dividing will get minus in the result. So after dividing minus 30 by 10, you will get minus 3. Okay, similarly here, students, one bracket is there, one step has been increased. Okay, so what we will do, 50 minus and minus, we know that if before the bracket minus sign is there, then inside the term their signs are getting changed. ब्रैकेट के पहले अगर माइनस साइन हो तो अंदर के जितने भी टर्म्स हैं उसके साइन चेंज हो जाते हैं. तो ये अंदर का टर्म -5 है तो वो माइनस माइनस इट विल बिकम +5. ओके, नो sorry, this is division sign students, not minus sign, I'm sorry. Okay, so here we have to divide 50 divided by minus 5. Okay, so again we will divide it as usual, as I told you. Okay, here we will divide 50 upon 5. So 5 1 ja 5 and 5 10 ja 50. Okay, now one of the number is negative, so here we are having negative and here we are having positive. Okay, so this negative sign will shift to numerator, that is we will have minus 10 in our answer. So this will be followed by minus 10. Okay, now this is I was telling you about this students. If one positive one negative number and negative is at denominator, then in a standard form we are writing the negative number at the numerator. Okay, after the division, suppose even if you are getting fractional number, then also the negative sign will be at numerator, not at the denominator. This is a standard form of writing any rational number or fractional number. Okay, when I will start rational number here, the chapter rational number, then I will teach you about how to write rational number in a standard form. So this is the standard form to shift the negative number from denominator to numerator. ठीक है, तो यहाँ पे हमें माइनस मिला था, तो माइनस को हम न्यूमरेटर पे शिफ्ट कर दिए, फाइनली हमारा -10 आंसर आया. ठीक है, नाउ हियर वी आर हैविंग वी -36 एंड -9 स्टूडेंट्स, -36 एंड -9, बोथ द नंबर्स आर नेगेटिव. Okay, I hope that you are not able to see it. Okay, no problem, I will write it here, -36 and -9. Okay, so here both the numbers are negative. So what we will do, we will simply first forget about the sign and then simply divide it. 9 4 is 36. Now minus minus will cancel and we will have our final answer 4. Okay, similarly here we are having students -49 divided by 49, -49 divided by 49. Okay, so divide 49 upon 49, you will get how much? 1. If you will divide 49 upon 49 or any number is divided by itself, then result is always 1. Suppose 101 divided by 101, how much we will get? 1 only. So 49 divided by 49, we will get here 1. Now come to sign, one negative and one positive is there, so positive is at numerator only, so the answer will be -1. Similarly here one step has been increased students. Okay, here 13 divided by under bracket -2 plus 1 is there. So first we will perform this operation, first we will solve this bracket and then we will divide the result by 13. ठीक है, तो यहाँ पे -2 है और ये +1 है, तो याद होगा दिस इज वन पॉजिटिव नंबर अनदर नेगेटिव नंबर. तो इस केस में हम क्या करते हैं, सब्ट्रैक्शन करते हैं और साइन जो है वो ग्रेटर नंबर का लेते हैं. तो 2 में से 1 जाएगा तो कितना बचेगा स्टूडेंट्स? 1 बचेगा. ग्रेटर नंबर कौन है? 2 है, उसका साइन क्या है? माइनस है, तो यहाँ पे माइनस आ जाएगा. ठीक है, ओके. नाउ इफ यू विल डिवाइड 13 बाई -1, इफ एनी नंबर डिवाइडेड बाई 1, how much we are getting? The number itself. Like suppose 100 divided by 1, 100. 1000 divided by 1, 1000. 729 divided by 1, 729. Similarly here 13 divided by 1, we will get here only 13. Now come to sign. Here we were having sign minus, so this minus sign will be shifted to numerator, that is in the result we will have finally -13. Okay, so this was your E. And then now F, 0 divided by -12. Okay, so let me tell you one more thing students, that if any number divided, sorry, if 0 is divided by any number, if 0 is divided by any number, the number itself is the, sorry, 0 is the answer. Okay, 0 is the answer. So if we are dividing 0 by any number, then 0 itself will be the answer. So here we will get 0. Now coming to next question, question number G students. Here again we are having one bracket. Okay, so first we will have to solve this bracket and then we will divide whatever result we will get here, we will divide it by 31. Okay, so here we are having minus 31 and then plus, so here we will write it minus 31 followed by equal to sign, students. Okay, now I am going to break these bracket. Okay, so we will get here minus 30 and then plus minus minus 1. Okay, now mine both here both the numbers are negative. इस केस में हम क्या करते हैं, दोनों को भी जोड़ लेते हैं और साइन जो भी है वही साइन लेते हैं. दोनों नंबर का साइन क्या है, माइनस, तो हम साइन क्या लेंगे, माइनस लेंगे. सो हियर वी विल गेट minus 31. ओके, नाउ आई होप दैट यू कैन मैनेज. हियर minus 31 डिवाइडेड बाई, इसको सॉल्व करने के बाद minus 31 मिला, मीन्स minus 31 डिवाइडेड बाई minus 31. सो माइनस एंड माइनस विल कैंसल, 31 1 जा 31. सो फाइनली वी विल गेट हियर 1 एज आवर आंसर. Okay, now coming to next question, students, H. Okay, again here we are having bracket. Actually two steps are there. First we will divide these, first we will solve this bracket and then whatever result we will get we will divide it by 3. Okay, so here first we will divide minus 36 by 12. So we know 12 3s are 36. So after dividing them how much we will get, 3. Now come to sign, one of the number is negative, so we will have negative result. So equal to minus 3 and then divided by 3 finally. After solving this we got minus 3 and then divided by 3. Now again 3 divided by 3 is equal to 1 and one number is negative, so finally we will have minus 1 as our result. Okay, now coming to this question, students, last segment, that is I. Okay, so here again we are having two brackets, so first we will solve these two brackets separately. Okay, and then whatever results we will get inside this bracket we will divide them, then we will get the final result. Okay, now coming to solution followed by equal to sign. I hope you can see it. Minus 6 and plus 5, one of the number is positive, another is negative. So as I told you, we will subtract here and consider the sign of greater number. So 6 minus 5 we will have 1, 6 is greater, having the sign minus, so we will have here minus. Now coming to next bracket, here we are having minus 2, here we are having plus 1, again one positive, one negative number. So we will subtract them and we will consider the sign of greater number. So 2 minus 1, again we will have 1, 2 is greater and its sign is minus, so we will have minus 1. Okay, now after solving this bracket we got minus 1, after solving this bracket again we got minus 1, means minus 1 divided by minus 1, and we know if we are dividing the same number we are getting 1, and here we are dividing 1 only, so 1 divided by 1 is nothing but 1, and minus minus sign will cancel each other, so finally we will have here 1 as our answer. So I hope you understood it. We'll meet you in the next video, students. Till then, all of you stay safe, take care, bye bye.